In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a game for someone on EA app. If you're looking to buy a game as a gift for someone through the EA app, it's important to know that the EA app does not currently include a built-in game gifting feature. Unlike some other game launchers, there isn't an option to purchase a game directly for another person's EA account. To check this for yourself, open the EA app on your PC and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, browse to any game that is available for purchase and open its store page. On the game's store page, you'll notice that the available purchase options are only for your own account. There isn't a gift, buy for a friend, or send as a gift button within the EA app. If you want to give someone an EA game, one option is to purchase an EA gift card from a participating retailer. The recipient can then redeem the gift card on their own EA account and use the balance toward purchasing the game they want. Another option is to purchase the game from an authorized digital retailer that provides a redeemable game code, if that game is offered with a code. After receiving the code, the recipient can redeem it on the appropriate platform or through their EEA account, depending on the game's redemption requirements. Before purchasing a game code, make sure it's intended for the correct platform and region. Some games are platform-specific, so a code for one platform may not work on another. At this time, there is no official way to send a game directly to another person's EA account through the EA app itself. If EA introduces a gifting feature in a future update, it would likely appear as a purchase option on eligible game store pages. That's all there is to it. While the EA app doesn't currently support direct game gifting, using an EA gift card or an eligible game code are the best alternatives for giving someone an EA game. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.